Today, we are going to discuss chords, arcs, and central angles. Balikan natin ang central angle. Ano nga ba ang central angle? Ang central angle ay angle whose sides are 2 radii and whose vertex is the center of the circle. So, ulitin ko, ang central angle ay binubuo ng dalawang radius at ang vertex nito ay nasa gitna ng circle. Pangalawa ay tinatawag nating inscribed angle. Ano ba ang inscribed angle? Ang inscribed angle ay binubuo ng dalawang chord at ang angle nito or vertex ay nasa circle. So, angle DCE is an example of an inscribed angle. Concept number 1. The measure of the central angle is equal to the measure of the intercepted arc. So, tingnan natin yung illustration. Yung illustration ay itong ating circle A. So, sinabi nga natin kanina ano ang definition ng central angle. So, ito ay binubuo ng dalawang radii. Vertex ay nasa gitna ng circle. Example number 1. Find the measure of arc BC and arc BDC. Measure ng arc BC ay equal sa measure ng angle BAC. Kung ang measure ng arc BC 74, therefore, ang measure naman ng angle BAC ay 74. Ano naman ang measure ng arc BDC? So, alamin natin na ang arc BDC plus arc ng arc BC ay equal sa 360 degrees. Kung ang arc BC ay equal sa 74, so, ibig lang sabihin, yung 360 degrees minus 74 ay equal sa 286 degrees. For our concept number 2, that is arc addition postulate. The measure of non-overlapping adjacent arc is equal to the sum of each arc. Halimbawa, in circle A, find the measure of arc EF and arc DE in circle A. Remember, EB is a diameter. So, this is EB and that is a diameter and this diameter is equal to 180 degrees. So, ang given lang ay angle FAB which is 60 degrees, angle BAC which is 52 degrees, and angle DAC is equal to 90 degrees. We are going to find the measure of arc EF and arc DE. So, paano ba natin sila solve? Unahin muna natin ang arc EF. So, tandaan natin na ang arc EF plus arc FB ay equal sa arc EFB. So, that is arc addition postulate. Ang arc FB ay equal sa 60 degrees. So, ito yung arc FB. So, since it is a central angle and the angle is equal to 60 degree, therefore, the intercepted arc will be also 60 degrees. And then, so, ano ang reason natin? So arc FB is equal to the measure of angle FAB, which is equal to 60 degrees. And arc EFB is equal to 180 degrees, which means arc EFB is a semicircle. Now, let's continue. So 180 minus 60 degrees. So our reason for that is the addition property of equality. And what is 180 minus 60 degrees? So it is 120 degrees. So ibig sabihin, ang arc EF natin ay equal sa 120 degrees. So kapag chinek natin, 120 plus 60 will give you 180 degrees. So that is our diameter. Ngayon naman, isolve natin ang arc DE. Ano ba ang measure ng arc DE? So arc DE plus arc DC plus arc BC is equal to the measure of arc BCE. So, ang arc DC natin ay equal sa 90 degrees. Ang arc BC naman natin ay equal sa 52 degrees. So, 90 plus 52 will give you 142 degrees. Using addition property of equality, so 180 degrees minus 142 degrees is equal to 38 degrees. Ibig sabihin, ang measure ng arc DE natin ay 38 degrees. Concept number 3. The degree measure of a major arc is equal to 360 degrees minus the measure of the minor arcs with the same endpoints. Example, the clock is at exactly 1 p.m. If the angle between the hour and the minute hand is 30 degrees, what will be the degree measure of the arc from 1 to 12 in clockwise direction? Now, tingnan natin yung illustration. So, ito yung 12 o'clock at ito naman yung 1 o'clock. So, mula sa 12 o'clock papuntang 1 o'clock ay equal sa 30 degrees. Central angle natin ay equal sa 30 degrees at ang intercepted arc natin ay equal din sa 30 degrees. So, ano ba ang magiging measure mula 1 o'clock hanggang 12 o'clock in clockwise direction? So, ang gagawin lang natin, lagi nating tatandaan na ang kabuuang sukat ng circle ay equal sa 360 degrees. So, 360 degrees minus 30 degrees is equal to 330 degrees. So, ibig sabihin, ang measure ng arc mula 1 o'clock hanggang 12 in clockwise direction is equal to 330 degrees. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something about arcs and central angles.